Hey guys, we're back at it with another video. I'm here with a veteran, Mr. Christopher. We are going out on the Operation Vets with Nets trip. We are going to be doing a little bit of catfishing and a little bit of redfishing. At the moment, I'm grabbing some bait for our trip. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell button. Thank you. Alright, let's look at the bait. We got our live well right here. Look at this. Look at that. Some big old shad. Look at this. Look at that shad, baby. Big old shad. Woo! Alright, let's have a good day. If you listen to what Mr. Chris says, this is why we do it.
I need this, man. I've been working my ass off all week.
Like, that's all good. Month. That's what we're doing for. This is exactly why.
I have not been fishing in a long time, and I needed this. Like right at the perfect time too.
Good, man. I'm glad to hear that.
Alright, we're headed to our first spot to do a little bit of drifting for some catfish. Let's see how our luck goes. Right here, I'm just explaining to Mr. Chris the game plan on how we are about to fish.
I'll bait up, get everything out, and I'll throw a line down. We'll attach these pointer boards onto them. I'm just going to spread out the bait to the sides. We'll run 10 baits at a time. We'll drag into this cove and have some luck. Once we drag through the cove, we'll pick back up, go find another spot, or if it hits good, we can turn back around and do it again.
Look at the cute. Time to throw some of that beautiful gizzard shad on as bait and throw out the lines.
I saw a TikTok video. That's crazy. Can't take all the big ones out. Well, you call me for help for a long time. I'm like, well, just
gotta get the big surgeon out the way, so you're good. Fastest now is
that type of like you should. Like I've been doing. That looks really good. Good.
That's been on the water.
You don't have to tag. You don't have to worry about tagging fish here.
Not here.
Now that we have all the bait out, let's see what our luck brings. No luck on this drift line, so we're going to pick up and try another spot. Alright, we have already set up on this drift line. Let's see how it goes.
But it was a good freaking fight, man.
Yeah.
That was good. They went all 5 rounds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that the little one?
We couldn't tell if this was a hang-up or a fish. As we were picking up to go to another spot, we realized that that pole did have a fish on it actually. So one catfish in the boat. Time to go look for another spot to go fish. No luck on the scanning, so we're going to go out and troll for some redfish.
Still getting out.
As we were trolling, we got a fish on.
Oh yeah, yes sir! One, two, three. Perfect.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it. I know Mr. Christopher had a much needed time on the water. I enjoyed myself today as well. Made a great new friend and looking forward to a new trip with him as well. Thank y'all and hope y'all liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.